Excel Dynamic Calendar. You want to try this attractive calendar in your Excel sheet? Select Month cell. Go to Data tab. Choose Data Validation. Choose List. In the source box, choose the list of months. Or else you can type manually. Select Month from drop-down. Go to Home tab. In the header cell, type this formula. Is equal to date value. 1 ampersand. Month cell. Ampersand. Year cell. Press enter. Go to first cell and type this formula. Is equal to sequence. 6, 7, header cell, press F4. Minus weekday. In bracket. Select header cell. Press F4. 1. Close bracket. Plus 1, 1. Close bracket and press enter. Select data, go to conditional formatting, choose new rule. Select rule type. In the description box, type this formula. Is equal to month. In the bracket, type cell number, B7. And month. Select header or type header cell number. Click on Format. Choose the color, white. Press OK. OK. Now go to Month cell and check the calendar by changing months. Hit the like button and follow for more amazing tricks. Thank you.